Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see the details about placement of Sun in the sign of Sagittarius. This video also applies to the current transit of Sun going into Sagittarius. So if you have this Sun placed in the sign of Sagittarius in your natal horoscope, then this video is for you. This video is for everyone who wants to see how the Sun transit through Sagittarius is going to affect the outcome of this month. Welcome back to Astrojyoti Healing. To those of you who are new to astrology, Sun is considered to be born every time it passes through the nakshatra of Uttarashada. So basically transiting from Sagittarius to Capricorn side of Uttarashada, Sun completes its one cycle and starts another cycle. This is definitely very important placement because Sun is your father, Sun is your boss, Sun is your Atma, Sun is the soul of a person, and hence it is the bright center where the light is already shining. What you are naturally good at, what you are supposed to do as a karma is denoted by Sun. Sun usually works very well with planet Jupiter, who is owner of sign Sagittarius. So this is a good placement. Overall, people will get positive results. Now let us see how Sun will express itself going through various nakshatras in the sign of Sagittarius. The first nakshatra, Sun enters from Scorpio to Sagittarius is nakshatra Mula. Mula nakshatra is ruled by planet Ketu, and hence this is a very karmic placement. If you have Sun placed in the sign of Sagittarius in Mula, that means you are born with some karma with your father. Typically, all the male relatives, maybe your son, your father, and people who are your advisors. This is a karmic placement. Usually it is noticed that people with Sun in Mula have some issues with father. I sometimes notice that father is not well, father is not supportive, or sometimes father is there but he is too busy taking care of his professional work, his visibility, that kids don't get to see him. Mula nakshatra has some portion near Gandanta, and that is why this placement is sometimes difficult to deal with. If your Sun is placed near the Gandanta degrees, then it is a difficult placement. Otherwise, placement in rest of the Mula or rest of the Sagittarius usually brings out the best from a person. If you have Sun placed in the Mula nakshatra in Sagittarius, you are usually born for a higher purpose. During your lifetime, you will become a better person with all the experiences that you get. Usually, these people are naturally good at giving advice and they will definitely find followers. The next nakshatra Sun will transit through in the sign of Sagittarius is Purvashada. Purvashada is ruled by planet Shukra, Venus, and this is usually the place where Sun shines brightly. These people have great understanding about creativity and human-centric relationships. Usually people with Sun in Purvashada have lot of influence on their peers. This is a great placement. Just one caution should be taken that sometimes these people try to be over-idealistic. Purvashada has this quality of having ideal expectations, and this is where sometimes the ego will come out, and hence one should be very careful. Depending on the pada in Purvashada, sometimes this position can become a weak position depending on which pada Sun is placed in. And hence, these people with Sun in Purvashada try to mingle with people who are good at heart. They should always be watchful about what type of influences they have. So if you have son or daughter with this placement and they are young, parents kindly watch about who are their friends, what type of friendships these kids have. Because the friends in case of Purvashada becomes the biggest influence whether you have moon in Purvashada or sun in Purvashada, people are very sensitive to outside world influences. It's good to have good advisors as well as good friends. If you have sun placed in the nakshatra of Uttarashada, as discussed in the beginning of this video, this is a position where sun kind of this is a position where sun is born again. So in the beginning of Uttarashada, sun is in a position of flux. People are undecisive. People don't know which path they would like to take. People with Uttarashada sun should always remember that they are very talented, they are creative, they should have great confidence and they should know what they are good at. Because Uttarashada placement, if it is in the closer to the Capricorn side, then people may forget to understand what they have, what are they good at, and they may show low confidence. So just be careful that you are talented, you are creative, just have some patience and keep working. When it comes to sun, it's always good to let go of personal ego and think about others first. And if you have sun placed in Sagittarius, this position kind of naturally is inclined to think about others first. Because if you are a coach, you are an advisor, or you are a researcher, you are working for others. Your focus becomes life of other people, and making a change to their life is your primary focus. So this is a great placement. If you have this placement, be confident about your talents, but don't have ego about it. Now let us see who are the famous people with this placement of sun in the sign of Sagittarius and what are the professions where these people can be successful. The list of famous people is, and the people are Mahesh Yogi, Sachidananda, Joseph Stalin, Jane Fonda, Yogananda, Ramana Maharshi, Louis Pasteur, Woodrow Wilson. And when we take a look at these names, the professions or the career interests are quite clear. These people are usually good advisors, good politicians. They are good in some art form. They can be great coaches in terms of any field that they choose. However, there is a basic tendency about going to the roots, going to the origin, doing a thorough research, then coming up with a strategy, and at the same time they are good with explaining things to others. Depending on where is their natal Jupiter placed, this will decide the outcome, because Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. And when in terms of nakshatra, the placement of Ketu and Venus will also give additional input into how this sun will try to give its bright light in terms of native's life. The placement of sun in the Navansha will also show what careers they can take, what are they really good at, and what kind of baggage they are bringing in. Usually, people with sun in Sagittarius are good with theories, principles, philosophies. They are good at taking a look at big picture. Usually these people turn out to be positive role models for others. So you could be a teacher, professor, you could be a priest, you could be associated with any religious organization or international school, college, university. You can be a great sports coach, you can be a life coach, obviously you can be a great astrologer, because this is a placement where you would have good skills about relationships with people, advising them, and going to the roots of any issue. You can also find surgeon with this placement if this sun is placed in the nakshatra of Mula. Usually, people with sun in Sagittarius have some father figure, maybe their own father, their grandfather, or their advisor, who is known in the community, who is famous, who is well established one. Depending on what are the aspects on this sun will alter the outcome, obviously. Now regarding this transit, this year's transit of sun in the sign of Sagittarius, the ruler of Sagittarius, Jupiter, is debilitated in the sign of Capricorn, and it is with Saturn, and hence this transit will always try to bring out any wrongdoings if you are in a position of advising, coaching, teaching. So make sure if you know things, do them rightly, and if you don't know, it is okay to share that you are not aware of it, you don't know it. Instead of telling something wrong, it's better to say, I will go back, do research, study, and get back to you. If people can have this honesty, those teachers, those advisors will be definitely appreciated. Same way, the people with authority, with this position, should be careful about the decisions that they take. It's always good to be on the right side of the law. Otherwise, there is a chance that depending on where Saturn is positioned in your natal horoscope, you may face some trouble. If you are looking for some remedy or some astrological insight which will help this position, that remedy is don't have ego. It's always good to put the other person first, and it's always good to say sorry. There is nothing wrong in that. And once we understand this, the interpersonal relations will be comparatively easy to deal with. When we bring the baggage of ego, then situations usually get worse. For example, you own a YouTube channel or you are head of some company and you realize that you have made a mistake. It's always good to admit that mistake openly, say sorry about it, and try to improve it. But usually, most of us tend to justify why we did that or just try to deny the responsibility of that mistake. And this behavior in this transit will not be allowed. Hope this helps you to deal with this transit better way. If you want to know where is your sun placed in Sagittarius, what is the nakshatra of that sun, or if you want to have any other question related to astrology, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Namaste, thank you, Shubhamastu.